And I had that. Chicken Royal the first year, put aside yang cerita bisnes lain, tapi cerita dia lebih kurang. So the first year Chicken Royal tu was about 125,000 per year. Very small. Tapi 125,000 to a lot of people yang meniaga jalanan, that is their life. And a lot of people stuck kat situ. Then I managed to grow to 250. Literally, memang double up. Then the third year it become 500. So like 1 to 5, 250 and 500. The fourth year it become 1 million. So saya like double. 1 million become 2.5 lebih kurang. 2.5 become 5, 5 become 10. So that thing, nak kata berjaya ke tak, but I managed to do that lah. Dengan apa-apa cara yang saya lalui. So what I share is not about saya pandai. What I share, saya dah buat benda ni sampai ke tahap ni. Beyond that, saya tak tahu. I think probably capacity saya kat situ sampai 10 million cap, okay. They fall back ke bawah kan. But I share the experience between 0 to 10 million.